everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been so long. Oh no, it's not. It depends upon when I'm going to upload the videos. But like, yeah, hi. And so I'm getting ready to meet some of my friends. Well, they are my juniors, but like, you know. And I'm going to go out, and this is my outfit. Wait, I'll show you. This is what I'm gonna wear, and I've chose my outfit. Now I'm going to like I've chose my outfit. Now I'm going to what I'm going to do. I'm going to put on this. I'm going to put on this lip sugar scrub. I put it on before I use lipstick. Put my makeup on, and right now I'm going to eat my lunch. It's late, but it's like lunch. I have not put my lipstick on because like I have to eat, so I'll put it after I'm done. I'm going out to wait for my Uber. My Uber driver is calling. My friends, they all are already inside, so I'm going to go and meet them there. They said that they're inside the museum.
ৰাস্তাত ইমান খেলি মেলি হৈছে যে নিজৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীক এৰি দিবলৈও ভয় হৈছে। কিবা এটা শিকি আহে তেওঁলোকে ভুল কৰিলে যে ঘৰলৈ আনি ঘৰত দেখিবা মা দেউতাই যেনেকৈ কেইটা বজাত উঠিব লাগে এইখিনি কথা আমাৰ ৰাজধানী যেনেকৈ কৈছিলে অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী
To the second floor we go. Hello. second floor. यही है शायद. Where are my friends? They're not in the lower floor, so I have to go up. Up we go. Down we don't. Wait, they're not here either. They said the floor where like the clothes are being, I don't know, weaved, made, I don't know. We have to go down, I guess. My friend. Nang chilan. Nang chilan. Nala bulan tum ke? Mulai ke? Yay! Đang tập video này mà. Ô nàng phone kìa. Phát lộ nàng phone cover này bị lệch đắt kìa nàng phone thẻ. Wait. Flip phone kali mala. Kalang ba? Walang salah sih. Dah. Gila, hola, hola, bilangnya kita jadi kira-kira video. Chắc rồi, video này.
Kalang ha? Oo. Sige. May kami nanonood ni Bebe. Saan namin sinipik?
इसको देखो पिलो दा क्या लोग है ओ बतावे वो अच्छा ये सब के लिए है ओह Langmi Sand I like this one Oh, this is my friend Abolon. Yes, dia dah cepat lah. Hilang no. Oi. Video lagi oi. Kali aja dingolo ni uthai the mati. Everyone is like
Ven tha camera.
Camera phải đến lúc lúc bên đó này nhìn luôn. Flashlight đi lúc có nào đừng phải không?
Wala so flashlight together.
वीडियो उठाने के लिए कुछ भी
Đốn là
Yeah, made videos reels của nhà ô nàng men thật thân rồi
Reels वगैरह बनाने के बाद
your name
Thật là mình chưa chơi là có biết nào. Làm thật là.
Ya ni talang no bula. रेडी हो रही है ये लड़की
Que sapa segole.
कुत्ती
Bo. Ni so chili.
oh buta buta dakle puno ya introduction lo 1 2 3 wow selfie lo message chụp upload để level
nang men chibi paprango la det ni po
chocolate chị ơi thằng
Mo la son la postret do nang ko mo.
đến đồ năng nè chị ơi bù bà mẹ con này actually cái là
Coba pada pasang doa.
còn tên lằng mẹ ơi
Oh, mau. Mati ni men dah cipta.
Bun ơi
Kai dom.
cái nó
Men ke ambolon beti. Men ke merjalian ti mongki.
wow wah belum tuh
Oh, 1 2 3. Kai dom. Nili mente sami ambolon beti. Nili men ke merjalian ti mongki. Lo VIP road man tin ka.
ko pa cake nang lang chi tu
Ano hala Shivali pa pinipinip na pe mang ni mati.
ko puan chi ro itunar ni he
baby nak है kali aju है amo de time ko wang man ni mai ito lang tum dak lem phan wang ko si mata lok tin ni ma chumai sen mau da
Oh, cumi sen. Antan hang ni ko ni lo. Hindi ka ni ko sa cumi. Ni ito man yung cumi yo. Dit?
scooty
Please man ki hang lang mun lang puno. Click lang puno.
scooty
Mumu hang ko. Dit lang.
tay ni scooty pasti plang scooty long si jo
Eh, cute to budi.
salang la black and pink both are for my sister yeah chocolate Anang may dito? It's time to make dinner. Oh yeah. Dali. Dali ready? Langsa pa na eh. So. Hoy. Ito. Ito. Ito po. First, saamne dali. Jigar saamne. gonna wash it 2 times. 2 times. Oh, that's a good idea. Lala, okay. Hello, bandai lang kaya. Yeah. I'm going to wash and cut the okras. Nasi bawah wali center. What is the camera doing there? And why am I in a frame too? Because I'm making video for my YouTube channel. You know, hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Oh, I already said hi. So, yeah, I'm going to remove my makeup now. Like it's okay, right? Even if it's like not, the light is not facing my side. So I'm going to remove my makeup, and after that, we're going to eat dinner. First of all, let me tie my hair. My hair is very sticky, as you can see. I have not washed my face. I have not washed my hair for a few days. 3-4 days. तेल लगाया ऐसा लग रहा है, लेकिन तेल नहीं लगाया है. Going to remove my makeup, and then we will eat dinner. Well, it's morning already, but like, अंधी होने वाली हूँ मैं. अंधी हो जाऊंगी. ओतके. तेरी बाबा. अंधी हो गई मैं. I'm blind now, everyone. I am blind. Oh, I am blind. You have to like wait for a minute, I guess, for my eye makeup to be removed. I don't put that much eye makeup, but still. I don't do that much eye makeup, but you know. Ta-da! See? Oh my god, I feel have dragon. My face is going to now go downwards and then this. I'm going to have wrinkles. I think like micellar water is much better than double cleansing because it's more efficient. Like it's healthy, you know. Tada! My makeup is removed now. Now I'm going to go, and my sister and we both are going to go and have our dinner. So I love salad, right? So I'm going to cut. Well, it's not salad, I guess, but yeah, I love myself some salad, so I'm going to cut cucumber and carrot. This Uri Baba one is from I saw this reel of like USA has like America has Superman, but India has Alibaba from from the film Om Shanti Om. I used to love watching Om Shanti Om growing up. Oh, and also, you know what happened today? Today my necklace, one of my necklace, it broke. It does string. I think because we just moved in and like most of my jewelries I have kept it in a plastic bag, not plastic, cloth bag. And for that reason, it was it was made of wire, so like I think it got bended, and it stayed bent. So because of that reason, it broke. It was my first. It was my first necklace that I bought. And I think I have only worn it like once or twice, I guess, but never took photos with it. So it's the same as never wearing it, right? Dinner time. Oh, this is the sitting room pula boleh lagi. Living room. This is our living room. This is the dining table. Dining table, yeah. We're having dinner. Well, it's almost over, but like yeah. Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.